Why is Decoding YT so successful on YouTube? Why do some people start a channel and gain 30,000 subscribers in just 2 months, while others spend a whole year trying and still don't cross that number? After researching this deeply for HillTube Growth, I discovered there's a 4-step formula that creators like Decoding YT use in almost 90% of their videos. And believe me, step 4 is so important, I never grew without it. So if you're serious about growing your channel, watch till the end. Let's start with step 1. Step 1 is about visual design, specifically your thumbnails. Almost all of Decoding YT's thumbnails use red, green, and black. And that's not a coincidence. These colors naturally grab attention. And when people get used to clicking a certain thumbnail style, YouTube recommends more of it, so they click even faster. But should you use red, green, and black too? Nope, because people might think you're just copying. Instead, on HillTube Growth, I always say, choose your own color scheme and stick with it. Also, and this is key, choose one unique font and use it for every single thumbnail. This creates instant brand recognition. Viewers will know it's your video just by glancing at the font or color. Step 2, create a need. The first 30 seconds of your video are everything. Most YouTubers waste that time with intros like, "Hey guys, welcome back." But pros like Decoding YT use that time strategically. They create curiosity or urgency, basically a need that makes viewers keep watching. At around 12 seconds into many of his videos, Decoding YT hints at a game-changing tip, like,
Meet Mr. Miko 2.0, जिसने literally YouTube Shorts algorithm को hack कर लिया है। Last 30 days में Mr. Miko ने पूरे 14 करोड़ views और 3 लाख से भी ज़्यादा subscribers gain किए हैं। पर कैसे?
As you can see, Decoding YT first creates a need that, how did he do it? This kind of psychological hook is gold. And here on HillTube Growth, I teach you exactly how to create that same effect. That brings us to step 3, the reward or payoff.
मैंने मिस्टर मीको की 80 से ज़्यादा वीडियोस को स्टडी किया एंड अपनी ऑब्जर्वेशंस को 4 हिस्सों में डिवाइड किया है। अच्छी बात यह है कि ये टिप तुम भी अपने शॉर्ट्स चैनल पर अप्लाई करके मिस्टर मीको जैसे ग्रो कर सकते हो। इसमें से टिप 1 मेरी फेवरेट है और टिप 4 हर शॉर्ट्स चैनल के लिए सुपर इम्पोर्टेंट है।
As you can see, Decoding YT tells us that tip number 1 is my favorite, and tip number 4 is the real reason why this method works. Decoding YT uses this in 85 to 90% of his videos. He teases a big reward at the end, like the most important tip, so viewers stay longer. He builds suspense, then delivers. That keeps watch time high and boosts retention. If you're still watching this video, you've probably fallen for it too, because I'm using it right now here on HillTube Growth. And finally, on step 4, genuine content. Before Decoding YT and a few others like Elgro and Tube Sensei, YouTube was filled with fake gurus saying, just increase your watch time to 60%, bro. But no one ever explained how. Then Decoding YT came along and actually showed people what to do, step by step. That's why he gained trust, and trust leads to subscribers. I believed in him because his tips worked. And that's why on HillTube Growth, I focus on giving you the same kind of real, practical advice that actually works. So if you want to grow like Decoding YT, it's not just about catchy thumbnails or viral titles. You need consistent branding, a strong hook, a payoff structure, and most importantly, real, practical content. That's exactly what I teach here on HillTube Growth. Not theory, but proven strategies from both my experience and from studying creators like Decoding YT. So if you're serious about growing your channel the right way, smash that like button, subscribe to HillTube Growth, and comment below. Let's grow. I'll see you in the next video.